Okay, dear students, next topic it is 5 year planning for development. India, when we become independent, we have seen we face many challenges and many problems. So India, our leaders, they thought about need a good planning for India to develop like that. So lifting India and the Indians, page number 136. Please take page number 136. Okay, planning for development. Lifting India and Indians out of poverty and building a modern technical and industrial base were among the major objective of a new nation. When we become the new nation, what was our objective of our leaders? What they decided? They thought like that we want to make, what we want to make, we want to make a country without poverty. All should get proper job like that, we thought. At the same time, we want to make a build a modern technical and industrial based country. Then in 1950s, the government set up a planning commission to help the design and execute suitable policies for economical development. And we taken this started, which one we started in 1950? Planning commission. And for what was the objective of that one? To help design and execute suitable policies for what? Economical development. Please underline, all points are important. Again, you want to study 9th and 10th standard about this planning commission and what different plans also. First 5-year plan, second 5-year plan, like that things we want to study in higher class 9th and 10th. Okay, the next topic it is, there was a board agreed on what was called mixed economy model. So we taken the model of the our government as a mixed economy. In that we are adding or taken the advantages of or merits of capitalism as well as socialism. These are the two methods of the economy we having in the world, like that. The some of the countries like America or UK and then USA, like that, countries with capitalist economy, means private property, maximum importance to private property. And at the same time, like some socialist countries are there, China, Cuba, like that. In that, private property it is banned. Only individual property it is banned. Only public property or government property, everything was under the control of the government. So we taken the positive side of both and or merits of both, and we made our economy in a different way, that is known as mixed economy. Please underline, that is in the middle part of the paragraph. There was a board agreed on what was called a mixed economy. Mixed economy means, that is coming here in textbook itself. We taken the merits or the positive sides of capitalist economy as well as socialist economy. In capitalist economy, there is no public property, everything in the hands of the people, only private property. Private people can earn how much they want. But in socialist country, there is no private property, only public property or government property. What government decide, according to that people want to do their activities. Okay, here both the state and the private sector could play important and complementary role in increasing production and generation of job. Why we decided like this? If we are giving to the hands of the private people, the poor people won't get enough job and other situation. Or if everything taken by the government, means government is not in this position to take up by government itself. So we are taking the role of both or the model of both capitalist economy as well as socialist economy, and we taken the positive sides of that one. With that, what was our intention for that? They can work together, they can play together, and as the important as well as complementary role. So what all things we are kept, like as a public property or government property, railway, post office, like that, the things which is needed for all the people, like that things we kept for under government property. And some other factories like a sugar factory, like that things, or rice mills, paper mills, like that things kept under the private as a private property. So even we can see in every panchayat or every municipality having some land under them. They are having their own, making their own building according to their need. Maybe panchayat office building like that things they are constructing, and at the same time private people also having small areas like to make a small flat or like that area, even like the 10 acres 20 acres land also. So it will work together and it will help each other, and to for what, to increase the production as well as generating job. Why we taken this mixed economy? To increase our production as well as to generate job. Then what especially these roles were to be, which industries should be initiated by the state, which by the market, how to achieve a balance between the different regions and states was to be defined by the planning commission. So planning commission given the duty to define where the government things should come, on which area should be taken by government, which things taken by the private people. So the planning commission, they are having the right to define it, which one should come under the private property, which one should come under the public property. Then 1956, then 1950 itself we started first 5-year plan, and second 5-year plan in which year? 1956. 1951 to 56 first 5-year plan, then 1956 to 61 second 5-year plan, and we are going to discuss about the second 5-year plan. Okay, the second 5-year plans was formulated. This focused strongly on development of heavy industries. We studied about heavy industries when we studied that one, the industrial lesson, like iron industry, like that industries are known as the heavy industries, such as steel, and on the building of large dams. We taken care about two things in that. If we are having the proper steel industries here, many other industries can develop. We have seen like that in iron and steel industries, the backbone industry of all other development. Then we have seen that one, we are in agriculture chapter, need of irrigation. So government, the planning commission thought about making dams. So they are thinking of the basic two things. One is steel, iron and steel factories, companies, as the same time developing of dams, like the two sectors they are thinking. With that they are planning to develop maximum India in second 5-year plan itself. Then these sectors would be under the control of state, and both the sector what the planning commission given priority, they taken directly under the control of government. Then this focus on heavy industries and the effort of the regulation of economy was guide economic policy for the next few decades. Then from that time onwards, from the second plan, how we become successful, with the help of that one, we started to regulate our each and every plans. Then this approach had many strong supporters, but also some vocal critics also. So wherever there is some new changes it is coming, there will be some criticism as well as some supporters. So we also got some in India, we got some supporters as well as some of the critics also. Then some felt that it had put inadequate emphasis on agriculture. So they are given the first emphasis on steel, second only about dams. So the those who are criticizing, they said like that they are not given the proper emphasis, means importance to agriculture. Other argued that it had neglected primary education. That time never thought about giving the proper primary education. Then still others believed that it had not taken account of the environmental implication of economical policies, how it will affect our environment, like that also not thought like that. Who said? Some of the critics said. So what are the criticism we heard? They taken up. First one, not given the proper importance to agriculture. Second one, not neglected. Third one, not thought about the environmental implications or the degradation, like that. Then as Mahatma Gandhi follower Mira Ben wrote in 1949, by science and machinery he, means mankind, may get huge return for a time, but ultimately will come dissolution. We have got to study nature balance and develop our lives within her law if we are to survive as a physically healthy, morally decent species. One of the follower of Gandhiji, she wrote about in 1949 itself, before making the planning commission itself, she said about by science and machinery technology we may get many good things, we may get many good things. At the same time we are going to face a imbalance in life. If we want to balance our life, or we want to study many things from nature, we want to develop our lives according to the law of nature. That's why very easily we can survive physically healthy as well as morally decent species. Now when we got this pandemic situation, we have seen that one many people was facing different problems because they don't have proper immunity, and we don't have health promotion services, or we don't have sickness prevention services. Normally we are depending on hospitals for what? For curation purpose. Okay, we will continue in next video.